Making money online is so easy, guys, not gonna lie, right? Any one of you guys watching this video can make money online. And I'm gonna show you in this video exactly how you and anyone else watching this video can start making money online. It's literally as simple as grabbing a laptop, pressing a few keys and extracting money from it. It is so simple. And I'm gonna break down exactly in this video how it works, right? Now, before I do that, just so you guys know who I am and just to show you guys that I'm credible, my name is Alim. I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I used to work for Argos, World Duty Free Sky. Before I took the biggest risk of my life, quit my job, packed my bags and moved to Dubai. That's where I am currently, as you can see from the backdrop behind me, right? And I took the biggest risk because I knew I was going to become successful and because I knew I was tired of living the life of everyone else, which was waking up early, going to my 9-to-5 job, working 12 hours a day and coming back, right? Obviously, one of the worst experiences of my life, coming home with £2 a month, barely being able to afford the bills and, you know, just being broke every single month. So I had to take a risk and I decided I'm going to move to Dubai and start an online business. And I initially thought it was going to be difficult. And to be fair, in the beginning, it was difficult, right? There was many hardships that I went through, and I've made separate videos around this, where I was living off £50 a month, you know, where I had literally no money, where I was not getting a job, you know, and I was trying to make money online. And at the time, I was making around £500, £1,000 a month, right? And that's when I decided, you know what, I'm going to go full in on the online business because I wasn't able to get a job. I had to find a way to survive. So what did I do is I started an online coaching business. Now, before that, I was doing YouTube full time. I was working with sponsors and all that kind of stuff before I decided to stop doing that because it felt like another full-time job in a way, because rather than having one boss, now I had several bosses. So I went full in on my online coaching business and I hired a mentor. This is why in this video I'm explaining that making money online is easy, right? Because I hired a mentor. What did I do? I didn't just say I know everything like a lot of you arrogant people out there who think they know everything, right? And then they wonder why their life is not different. Because if you're arrogant, you know, and think you know everything, look, your life is a reflection of your knowledge and your actions. And if you think that you know everything and you're all talented, why the hell are you not a billionaire? Why the hell are you not a trillionaire? Because you don't know everything, right? You have to learn from people that are, you know, above you in the sense that they're making more money, you know, they've done the risks, they've done all the hard stuff. You need to learn from these people. So rather than trying to be arrogant and say, I'm going to figure these things out on my own, because I've spoken to a lot of people who feel like this, and I say to them, look, no disrespect, but if you think you know everything, why is your life not different? Why are you not making billions, right? We can all learn something. We can always learn from someone above us. This is why I say to you, making money online is easy, because if you hire a mentor, if you follow their advice, you will literally live the same life as them. This is why I always say when it comes to hiring a mentor, always hire someone that is living the life that you want. Don't just hire a mentor because he's driving Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all this kind of stuff. Hire someone that is living the life that you want. So for example, a lot of people hire me because they want to have freedom. A lot of people hire me because maybe they want to move to Dubai, maybe they want to move to Bali, maybe they want to move to another country and make money online consistently. The whole point most people, to be fair, sign up with me is because they want to quit their 9-to-5 job, they want freedom, and they want to have, you know, 10K a month, 20K a month, 30K a month, right? All of that kind of stuff. So this is why it's important that you hire a mentor that is living the life that you want to live. And just a quick one, guys, if you are obviously interested in building an online business that can change your life like it has for me, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start something I like to call the one skill consulting business model, where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? Now, just to go a little bit more deeper into this business model, I call it the one skill consulting business model. In a nutshell, it's a coaching business, okay? It's where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. So any skill that you guys are good at, whether it's, you know, knitting, whether it's teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol, whether it's getting a six pack, whether it's, you know, fitness in general, whether it's faceless YouTube channels, whether it's a marketing agency, whatever it is that you're good at, you can package that into a program, into an offer, and sell it to high ticket clients. And you guys, just by doing that, can make 3, 4, 5, 6, even up to 10 grand per client. I'm not saying per month, per client. Now you can imagine if you're charging 5 grand a month, all you need is 2 clients to make 10 grand a month. It's as simple as that. And this is why I say to you guys, it is so easy to make money online, but yet a lot of you guys decide to work your 9-to-5 job. A lot of you guys decide you know everything. You'll watch videos like this and you'll go about your day, right? You'll go back to watching Netflix, you go back to playing video games, and then you think, why is your life not changing? It is so easy to make money online. It is literally as simple as hiring a mentor, following their steps, and literally implementing it in your life, and it will change your business. Let me give you guys an example, right? When you buy a furniture from IKEA, can you build that, generally speaking, if it's something very complicated, can you build that without a manual? Of course not. You need a manual, right? So why would you you know, look for the manual and follow the manual 100% when it comes to building IKEA furniture, but your life, which is one of the most important things, your money, which is one of the most important things, you're not going to hire a mentor, because why? You think you know everything. You think you could figure it out by yourself. Look, if you could figure it out by yourself, trust me, people that are multi-millionaires would not be spending thousands and thousands, even millions to a certain extent, on hiring mentors, on investing in themselves, on investing in coaching, all of that kind of stuff. All these multi-millionaires would not be spending that kind of money. But why are they doing it? Why are they spending all that money learning from other people? Because it's going to help them make more money, because they don't know what they don't know. And if they know that information and implement it in their life and their business, it will completely catapult them from point A to point B, okay? And for a lot of you guys watching this video, to be fair, are probably beginners. You know, you've never made money online before, so you think it's very difficult. Maybe you've even tried something, right? Maybe you've tried drop shipping, maybe you've tried affiliate marketing, maybe you've tried all these other business models. But the point I'm trying to make is, you've tried these business models without learning directly from the people that you should be learning from. All you've done is watch a fucking YouTube video, saw what the guy did, who's like 10 steps ahead, 10 miles ahead in his knowledge, and try to implement it yourself and wonder why the fuck it's not working for you. But the reason why it's not working for you is because you're just following random steps from random videos on YouTube. YouTube's only going to give you so much information, but a mentor is going to give you tailored information. This is why it's so important. A mentor is going to give you tailored information based on you, based on your knowledge, based on your skills, and position you in the right way so you can maximize the amount of money you make from the business. It is, again, so simple. I know it sounds crazy, me talking about making money online is easy. Trust me, I used to be a lot like you guys. I used to sit at my 9-to-5 job, you know, think, oh, making money online is so difficult, or, you know, these people are doing something wrong, and X, Y, and Z. Guys, all they did is fucking take action. A lot of you guys are just sitting there, twiddling your thumbs at your 9-to-5 job, and, you know, coming home, getting gassed over a movie on the weekend, like Spider-Man, for example, and think, why is your life not changing? You need to lock in. You need to put yourself in the strongest position, and the only way you can do that is by hiring a mentor. Guys, people like Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the best footballers, has a coach. People like Floyd Mayweather, one of the best boxers in the world, has a coach. Lionel Messi, one of the best footballers as well, has a coach. Muhammad Ali had a coach. Tyson Fury has a coach. Anthony Joshua has a coach. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? These are some of the best professional athletes in the world, yet they're still hiring coaches. So why are you someone that, look, this is me being completely honest, someone that is a loser and hasn't achieved anything in their life, why are you not hiring a coach? When you know that you're struggling every month, when you're in debt, when you can't even pay your bills, why are you specifically not hiring a coach? Bear in mind, these are professional athletes that are 10 times further ahead in life than you, but yet they still hire a coach. What does that show? That it is so important. So this is why I say, guys, it's extremely easy to make money online. Any of you guys can do it. All you have to do is try. And again, if you do want to make money online, where you can work with me on a one-to-one basis, where I will scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.